Choosing the right garage door can boost your home's curb appeal and make it more functional. Finding out the size of your garage door is the first step in choosing a new one. Standard single-car garage doors are typically either 8x7 or 9x7. The most common double-car garage door sizes are either 16x7 or 16x8. There are three types to choose from. Single-layer doors are made from one sheet of steel and are usually the most economical option. Double-layer steel doors have a steel exterior and are insulated on the inside. This helps improve durability, sound control, and energy efficiency. Triple-layer doors have steel on both sides of the door with insulation in between. Triple-layer doors are the strongest, most secure, and best insulated option. There are four main panel designs to choose from. Carriage house panels add character and work well with farmhouse or rustic-style homes. Flush panels are flat and slightly textured, creating a clean, modern look that works with a variety of homes. Long raised panels make the door stand out more. Short raised panels pair well with traditional styles like Victorian, colonial, or Tudor homes. With the right garage door, you can enhance your home's look and function, so explore your options and find the perfect fit at Lowe's.